Opportunity Network, it's a single place where CEOs and investors can find new clients, secure providers for products and services, raise or invest money, and find their next M&A and real estate transactions. Here's how it works. First, all members must be vetted before they join the platform to make sure they're worth your time to have a conversation with. Once inside, you can post all your different business opportunities on the network. You can also search for specific needs you may have at any given point, and our algorithms are always looking for matches for you. And you can get notified in your pocket on the go from our app or on the web when we have an opportunity for you. When you connect to a deal, we simply connect you with the counterpart and you start a conversation. Finally, your dedicated account manager will help you find and close your next deal on Opportunity Network.